Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a. If we have a cubed plus 5a is equals to 42, and we solve this problem for the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the here I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here first we need to focus into the right hand side, and we have this is a cubed plus 5a is equals to, this is 42, and we write this 42 as 27 plus 15. We know that 27 plus 15 becomes 42. I can just break this 42 as in this form because of, you see here, here we have this is the one, here we need one term is into the cubic form and other term is the multiple of 5, so that we write 42 as in this form, because we write this 27 as 3 cubed and we write this 15 as multiple of 5. Okay, so that's why we need to break 42 as in this form. Otherwise you get another possibilities in which you get the two number sum becomes 42. Okay, but the reason is that we need any two numbers in which one is the multiple of 5 and other is any number cubed. Okay, cubed form. So here we rewrite this equation as, this is a cubed plus 5a is equals to 27, and we write this 27 as 3 cubed plus 15. So we move both of these two values from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes a cubed plus 5a. This is 3 cubed becomes minus 3 cubed. This is plus 15 becomes minus 15, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we make the pair of cubic term with cubic term, and so we have a cubed and second one is minus 3 cubed, and we have these two terms are multiples of 5, and we write it as 5a minus 15 is equals to 0. So we rewrite this equation as this will becomes here a cubed minus 3 cubed and plus, here we need to take common 5 and we get the remaining value are a minus 3 is equals to 0. So here we use the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So here we need this formula into the first factor of the above equation. So you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So we just substitute the values of x and y into the below formula. So after substituting these values of x and y, our above equation is written as, first you have x minus y, the value of x is a minus y is 3, and again x is a becomes a square plus xy. So here our x is a and y is 3 plus y square, y is 3 square, and plus this is 5 times of a minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms involve a minus 3, so here we need to take common a minus 3 and we get the remaining values are. So from here we get a square plus this is 3a plus this 3 square becomes 9, and plus here when we take common a minus 3 we get the remaining value are 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as a minus 3 times of a square plus 3a plus 9 plus 5 becomes 14, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 3 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 3a plus 14 is equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of a is equals to 3. So this is our first root of the given equation, and now here we need to find other roots from the second equation. So this is the quadratic equation. So here we know that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. First one is factorization method, second one is completing square, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. For using the quadratic formula, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 14. So we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So after substituting these values, it will becomes the value of b is 3. So when you put it here, it will becomes minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 14, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So here we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as in this form. This is minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square becomes 9 minus 4 times of 14 is equals to 4 4s are 6. We write 6 and carry 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 14 times 4 becomes 56, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So here we need to subtract these two values, and it will be written as minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 56 becomes minus 47, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to apply separately square root on both of these values, and it will becomes 3 minus 3 plus minus square root of 47 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of our a. So further here we move towards the final step of this question, and our final answer is that a is equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 47 into this is square root of minus 1 becomes here iota, and it is divided by 2. So here this question has 3 roots, in which these 2 roots are complex root, and a is equals to 3 be the one real root of the given question. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.